What's going on, guys? Caleb here, Caleb's Property Maintenance. Thank you so very much for coming back for yet another video. Alright guys, so today I just want to take a minute to talk to you guys about what I have been addicted to lately. Now, don't take this the wrong way. I've not been addicted to drugs or anything like that. No. If you've known me, you know I'm not that kind of person, and I would never even think about doing that. So no, and I'm not been addicted to caffeine or coffee or any certain special type of coffee or anything like that. Nope, nothing like that. I've not been addicted to trees or studying plants or anything like that. Nope, not really. What have I been addicted to? I have been addicted to lawn care videos. That's right, guys, lawn care videos. Now, not just any old type of lawn care videos. Nope, I'm talking about videos done by Alan Hain, the lawn care nut, Ryan Knorr, Connor Ward, all those awesome guys that talk about turf. And I know I haven't really expressed this much to you guys, but turf is really my ultimate passion. That's right, not landscaping, not trees, but turf. That's right, guys, turf. So with this next season rolling around, finally winter, man, let's get it over with. Let's get summer on. I am ready to get on the mower and get back mowing. But more than just that, I am going to be showing you guys some more of the lawn care shots, not just so much landscaping and us mowing. So that's what's going to go on here in 2019. That's right, 2019. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. Oh, I can't wait. So anyway, we are going to be showing you guys some turf and how I'm going to be fertilizing it, and not just on our yard, but also on some of my customers that I do as well. And there's one specifically that I want to really show you guys the process. I have not done anything yet on this customer's yard, but I'm going to be doing something awesome this year, and she wants all organic, so that's going to be interesting. So I'm going to take you guys along and show you guys the process, and that's going to be starting up in about another month. So right here now, today is the last day of February, so my first application is going to be right there at the beginning of April. So make sure you guys are subscribed and stay tuned, because you're not going to want to miss it. But in the meantime, that means I have to purchase some extra stuff. I already have a spreader, but I need a few other things to go along with the lawn care to help out with putting down the applications. So I'm not going to tell you guys what those are, but as I get the products, I am for sure going to be showing you guys. So I am super excited. I cannot wait. Oh, it's going to be such an awesome year. So I will still be showing you guys, like, when we do a mulch job and edging the flower beds and trimming the bushes and stuff like that. It's just that I'm really passionate about the turf. Is really what I want to focus on this year. So I'm going to be showing you guys, we're going to be getting into some detail about some soil, what we can do to improve the soil, which in turn improves the lawn. So that's what I'm so excited. Oh man, it's always been a passion of mine, and I'm going to give you guys the first tip. You know what, right now I'm just going to give you guys the first tip. The first tip is to mow at the proper height and the proper frequency. Now, the proper height and the proper frequency really depend upon your yard. So I can't really give suggestions as far as how frequently you should mow, or at the whatever height you should mow. It all depends on the yard, and I'm just going to give you general guidelines. You don't want to go lower than 2.5, and you don't want to go higher than 4 inches, because Anything above 4 inches will topple over, especially when you walk on it, and if you have people walking across it frequently, it's not going to work out too well, and the grass is going to get diseased by laying over onto each other. So you don't want that, but you don't want it below 2 inches because the sun can really scorch the lower part of the plant and then the root system, and it can just really cause it to not be good. So you want to stay above that 2.5 inches. I personally mow most of my yards at 3 inches. This year I'm probably going to be mowing my own yard at 2.75 to 3 inches, somewhere right in there. It's actually pretty shady, so that's why it's a little bit harder to mow tall, just because it's not quite as thick. So that's why that's what I do. And so that's the first tip. And then also the frequency. Let me just touch base here real quick. I will say this: the more often you mow, the healthier your lawn will be. I know that sounds quite crazy, but that is the truth. The more often you mow, the more healthy it'll be. So I would say every 3 to 4 days, probably twice a week, give or take. That's in the normal growing season. Obviously in the spring and in the fall you're going to be cutting back on that, but in the normal mowing season, and this I'm really talking to homeowners here, because me as a lawn care provider, I cannot have lawns that I'm mowing twice a week. Number one, people aren't going to want to pay for that, and number two, I cannot have, I would have to really about cut my business in half just so I could get around to everybody within that short period of time. So in all honesty, if I could do that, oh, I would love to do that, but I know that's not realistic, so I just can't. But I really wish I could. Such is the nature of the business. That's why I love watching guys like Alan Hain, Ryan Knorr, and Connor Ward, because they're just doing it on their own yards. They can mow their own yard as often as they want to. I got a neighbor down around the corner from us here that he's retired and mows his yard every 2 to 3 days, and his yard looks amazing. He gets a little bit more sun than ours, so it's gonna look better. But maybe sometime this summer I'll get a little interview with him for you guys, and he can talk about his turf and what he's got going on there. So, alright, enough of me rambling. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. That way you get notified every time I publish a new video. And that's it, guys. So, talk to you later, and we'll see you in the next one. And I can't wait for 2019. Let's go!